Hi folks, and welcome to the channel. We're going to test today the Nexus on a Flywing Bell 206 mechanics. Now ignore the actual Heli, that's just my little test module. So I've been practicing on my FW450 in 6G mode, because this is its basic or beginner mode is 6G, which is stabilization and angle limit. So it's an angle mode.
Horizon mode, angle mode.
So I've got that on my radio. So yeah, interesting times. So here we go. It's a bit of a breeze, but that is what it is.
Pre-arm active.
And my run switch. And there we go. So first actual flight. Here we go. Okay. Reacts pretty much like a Flywing in that sense. Hover position on my throttle stick on my collector is about 55%. So that's where it's hovering, which is nice. It's not overly uncomfortable.
6 minutes.
So as I say, I'm not going to do anything erratic. I might do a simple loop, because I'm still new to this managing the altitude. I'm just seeing that the helicopter flies, which it seems to be doing. Okay. It feels like a well-tuned H controller of a description, in the sense that I've also dumbed down the back to neutral gyro agility slightly. It was a little bit hectic. I see a little bit of a wobble on the tail there, on the release, so I could sort that a little bit, but I need to have a flight of sorts. So I'm not going to crank it yet, because I'm not quite there yet. I see so the tail gain needs to come down slightly. I'll see where that is all when I get back to the office. I'm on my big battery here, so it should fly 20 minutes basically, but I'm not going to fly for 20. Collective is nice and reactive. Let's do a quick punch out. Yes, indeed. Very nice, actually. Well, look, I'm not a 3D pilot, so back to center seems just about right for me. But the tail is a little jumpy, so we'll sort that out. Look, this is a very first flight, so it will need tuning. looks as ugly as shit, but this is the whole point of this thing, is to
3
not
minutes.
not break your fuselage. Yes, I will sort that out. I'll dampen that tail down a little bit. It's on the verge of bouncing, you see that, eh? So, but that's probably a fairly easy fix. Probably in the eye. It's very weird having to control a pitch. That's quite unusual for me. How does it compare to the H1?
2 minutes.
It is. Now the H1 is on my 450, which is a very direct helicopter. This is a more dumbed down electronics system package for scale flying, but it's certainly got some kick there when it needs to. And the tail stays nice and planted. And I haven't been up to a full collective yet, just by the way. Not even close. I'm giving it about 65% there. Head speed is at 75%. I've put on the governor. I actually like to see what the maximum angle is, so let's give it a full tilt forward. Oh, that's quite a bit, eh? Wow. Quite a bit. Oh yeah. Let's go sideways, full tilt.
20 seconds.
Oh, not bad. Okay, I think for a first flight we're not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm going to go
10, 9,
fiddle with that tail a little bit,
7,
but I think we're on to a good
4,
starting
2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
starting setting. It feels very much like a nicely dialed in H system. Very nice. And the back to center is not too quick, you see. So no, that's perfect. Head speed seems good. Okay, let's land it. I mean, this is almost hands-free there. Here somewhere. Right guys, well there we go. Nexus controller on a Flywing. It works. It's actually very nice. I'll be completely honest. Let's unplug this. Right.
Telemetry lost.
Let's switch this off. So yeah, it's it works. Well, why shouldn't it? Okay, happy days.